subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hey hi friends, I'm back with new video. So in this video I gonna to show the earphones unboxing. Let's unbox it. So there is me branding. So this is made in China, not made in India.
Made in India lagdi hai, branded tere kapde ne, uliyan da hassa tera ki kehne.
It is given safety instruction. Let's open the box. You can connect this earphones with your mobile, iOS devices, Mac, PC, tablet etc. So this has extra ears rubber. Some this are small, big etc. Now let's see our earphones, so you can get me branding. Its sound is very good. It has a mic also. Its sound quality is very good. So bye, I take care, respect people, do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?